from last 6 months. Our customers are shifting more younger users. Mobile photos were not adopting fast enough. That explains the drop. Our current region is too old school. We need a new fresh approach and new packages tailored to their audience.
And the team's feeling the pressure. Burnout's high. Communication is low. We need to bring back regular check-ins and appreciation.
We've also got to look at the product. It's overdue for updates. We can add a complete of high demand feature quickly. It's to engage users.
Good points. Let's set this plan. So, Christine and Angela update the buyer persona and refocus our campaigns. Shania revamp the sales pitch with that insight. Stephanie organize a moral boosting plan. And lastly, Sophia work with Deb to push out new feature prototype within the 2 weeks. I'll coordinate and track progress. Let's turn this around together. Let's do this.
Let's do
Let's
this.
do this.